Question is given 3 power x plus 3 power 2x plus 3 power 3x is equal to 39. Here we have to find out the value of x. How we can find out the value of x? Let's see solution. Three power x plus 3 power 2x plus 3 power 3x is equal to 39. This is given, right? So here we can consider, let's consider 3x, 3 power x, right? Let's consider 3 power x is equal to y. If 3 power x is equal to y, so we can write this one y plus 3 power x, that is y, and here square, plus 3 power 3x. So 3 power x is y and this is cube, right? Y cube is equal to 39. We can write this one y cube plus y square plus y is equal to 39. Y cube plus y square plus y minus 39 is equal to 0. This is the equation form. If we are considering here y is equal to 3, if we are considering y equal to 3, so it will become here 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3 minus 39, right? So let's consider here if it will be 3, so 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3 is equal to 3 cube is 27 plus 3 square is 9 plus 3 is equal to 39. So we can say 39 minus 39 is equal to 0. So in this way we got the value of y, that is y is equal to 3. We can say y is equal to 3 works flawlessly, right? Now substitute here 3 power x is equal to y, because we already considered y is equal to 3 power x. So here 3 power x is equal to y is equal to 3. We consider value of y is 3 here. So 3 power x is equal to y is equal to 3. Therefore we can say, because we have to find out the value of x, therefore we can say 3 power x is equal to 3. Now 3 power x is equal to 3 power 1. Here comparing base and power. So comparing base and power, we will get here x is equal to 1. So this is the solution for this equation. We got the value of x, that is x is equal to 1. Now let's verify is this correct or not. So here our question is 3 power x plus 3 power 2x plus 3 power 3x is equal to 39. Now we have to substitute value of x is equal to 1 here. 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 times 1 plus 3 power 3 times 1 question mark 39. Now 3 power 1, so it will become here 3 plus 3 power 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 power 3 question mark 39. Now 3 power 1, that is here it will become 3. 3 square is 9 plus 3 cube is 27 question mark 39. Now 7 plus 9 is 7 9 16, and here it will become 9. Here 2 plus 1 it will become 3. So 39 is equal to 39. Therefore we can say here LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x is equal to 1. It is correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can comment me, and if you know any other method, so you can solve and comment in comment section.